everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So in this particular video, we'll be discussing a very important topic which you all must have come across, and that is how to handle pressure. So as you all know that during this last phase of preparation, when you know that the examination is round the corner, you need or you all must have faced this particular thing, that is pressure from one of the factor or the other. And that is like you must be having the pressure of whether you'll be able to qualify, whether your hard work would pay off or not, or whether you'll be able to mark the answers, etc. This particular problem, this particular issue is faced by most of the students. So in this particular video, I'll try to give you some of my suggestions about how you could handle pressure. See, the very first thing that you need to understand is that this particular pressure feeling thing is very common. It is absolutely normal to feel pressure. Why? Because when we work hard, when we put in our hard work into something, it is very common to have that pressure of whether I'll be able to qualify, whether it is sufficient or not. So first of all, just keep it very normal to yourself that it's okay, I'm feeling this. But how to overcome this? The first thing you need to tell yourself is that yes, you can do it. Have a positive approach towards your preparation. Always motivate yourself. You won't find anyone else motivating you. You will get many people demotivating you at this particular point of time. Yes, I have faced that too. So it's absolutely fine if people around you are demotivating you that you will not be able to qualify because ये आपका first time है. No, if it is your first attempt, give it your best shot. You will be able to qualify. I qualified in the first attempt itself. So if I can do it, anyone could do it. So it is not something inhuman or out of the universe. You can qualify in the first attempt as well. Second point you need to tell yourself is that you need to be very confident with your preparation, and that is you need to make sure that you practice very nicely. That means even if you're done with your revision, even if you're done with your previous year question practice, I would suggest you give it another shot. Be 200% sure to yourself that you do not give any loophole to yourself after the examination that you had a regret of you might have done this before. No, do it right away. Do not think about it कि बाद में क्या होगा. Just give it your best shot. Do not feel the pressure. Pressure को अपने positive approach से remove out करो. Just be very positive towards your preparation. Be confident in your preparation and have a positive approach towards that. Yes, I have practiced. Yes, I have done my hard work, and whatever else happens, it will happen on its own. Because if you work hard, no one can take away the success from you. Take my words. If you have put in your heart and soul to any preparation, be it this particular examination or any other sphere of life, if you have given your heart and soul to that thing, for sure you'll get the success. This is something I have learned from my experience, so sharing the same with you all. So make sure that you are confident in yourself. You have a positive approach towards whatever you are doing is completely 100% sure it is up to the mark for the demand of the examination. And the next point you need to remember is you need to push up yourself, you need to uplift yourself every time you have that pressure thing. If you are feeling that demotivation, if you are feeling that discomfort during the preparation, just take a break of an hour or something. Talk to a reliable friend, talk to a friend with whom you could share what you are actually feeling. Or go for a walk outside. For sure you will feel better, for sure you will feel positive, and then you can start off with your preparation again. See, you have already given 6 to 7 months or maybe more than that to this particular examination, to this particular preparation. This is the last time, this is the last final month which you have in your hand, and you just cannot sit back and think about कि आगे क्या होगा. You have to be very active during this particular time. You need to practice a lot, you need to revise a lot. I know revision and practicing could get monotonous at a point of time. Even I got a bit tired of revising again and again, but take my words, just push yourself during this particular time. For sure the preparation, for sure this particular time spans revision would help you. It would provide you the best support it could during the final examination. So all I can suggest you is that be confident, be brave, and do not fear about that exam kaisa hoga. Give it your best shot. You need not to have that anxiety factor with yourself. Why? Because it will give you nothing but a negative feedback, but a negative thought in your mind. Instead of that, be positive. Just be confident about your preparation and keep on practicing and revising as much as you can. This was all I wanted to share in this particular video. And also, if you are feeling any difficulty in revising the previous year question papers or the topics of the various units, we have a complete set of 50 classes recorded lectures and a PYQ book for your preparation, for your help in the revision thing. I have provided the complete information for the same in the description box. Check it out, and if you wish to have the same, you can WhatsApp me on the number as given. So this was for this particular video. Thank you for watching. Good luck everyone, and if you have any other doubt, any other difficulty which you are facing, you can let me know in the comment sections below, and as per my knowledge I'll try to provide you suggestions from my end. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Botany Insider. I'll see you very soon with more informative videos, more quality content on my channel. Thank you for watching. Good luck.